It's the season of citrus, and this homemade lemon syrup will add a brightness to your winter baking. Tami Steggell with Bite Me Industries is here to share the recipe. Great to see you.
Good to see you.
As always, and I was smiling immediately because first I get to see you, but also you told our producer that this recipe today will bring you joy.
It will. It'll bring you joy in under 10 minutes, and it will elevate everything that surrounds you.
What might I use a lemon syrup on?
You could use lemon syrup on like a yogurt for breakfast.
Oh.
I love to put it on Greek yogurt.
Okay.
You could use it on grain bowls. You can use it in salad dressings. You could use it on your roast chicken and your roast vegetables.
Ooh.
Like, it's very versatile.
So it kind of elevates and enhances what you already have going on. Okay.
Yes, and it's kind of a little beautiful flavor explosion. It just takes 1 cup of sugar.
Okay.
And then 3/4 cups of fresh squeezed lemon juice.
I love how confidently you poured the sugar. Like, we're not afraid.
Yes.
We're not afraid of 1 cup of sugar.
And then you're just gonna boil this for about 6 to 8 minutes until it turns into a syrup, and then it'll reduce and thicken just a little bit.
Okay.
And then what you get is this beautiful syrup right here.
Look at this.
And you can take this syrup and you could brush it on between cake layers for moisture
because
and
lemon
flavor.
Oh, here it comes. This is the moment.
And then you can also
Sister.
This is a lemon cake with a mascarpone frosting, and then you just pour that beautiful lemon syrup, and then you have this super dynamic cake.
Okay, because in drenched form, that will enhance the flavor, but I'm thinking in more subtle plays like you've described, lemon just adds a brightness, right, to your bite?
Oh, yes. It's like so vibrant, and I love it.
Oh,
I'm addicted to citrus season. So right now is citrus season.
Yeah.
And when you can get your lemons with the most freshest flavor, even though you can get lemons all year long, it's citrus season. So you're gonna find like sumo oranges, you're gonna find cara cara oranges, which are really good for orange juice. You'll get these big, beautiful pomelos, grapefruit, pink grapefruit.
I've never had a pomelo.
It's like a big, giant grapefruit.
Okay, okay.
And limes, you can make a lime curd. These are glacéed lemon slices. Again, are great in cakes and grain bowls and salads. And I love cutting those up and putting them on yogurt. So
the message is take advantage of citrus while in season and a time of year when I think our palate craves it, right? That light, bright freshness.
Yeah, and we always equate it with summer, but it's actually a winter fruit.
It's a winter fruit.
Yeah.
Okay, back to our simple lemon syrup. How do I store that? How long will that keep?
This will keep for a few months in your refrigerator. You can actually freeze it and then just thaw it later. And you just warm it back up on your stove to bring it back to a liquid state.
What a fun little gift, too, the way you've packaged these. I mean, just simple glass containers, but the color itself communicates this little giftable opportunity, right? For your friends or your neighbors, like in the doldrums of winter. I know we're seeing sunshine and we can't complain too much, but that taste, that punch, I think is so craved.
Yes, it
Tami,
is.
thank you. Where do we get this recipe and others from you?
You can find a bunch of citrus recipes on bitemeindustries.com, and this will be available today on the website.
I'm excited to try it, from chicken to yogurt to, as we saw today, a beautiful lemon cake with what?
This has a mascarpone frosting with the lemon syrup.
That's it. I hope it's cake for lunch today. Tami,
Yes.
thank you so much.